Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Toshiba Countertop Air Fryer. Compact design with external dimensions of 20.6 into 16.3 into 11.8 inches, W into D into H, and internal dimensions of 13.9 into 14.1 into 10 inches, W into D into H. This stylish black stainless steel microwave oven is a space-saving kitchen essential, perfect for dorm rooms or apartments. Versatile cooking, featuring 10 unique power levels and 13 preset menus for effortless sensor cook of various dishes, snacks, and beverages. This microwave offers culinary flexibility with a 1,000-watt output power and 1,600 watts input power. User-friendly features. Enjoy convenient functions like defrosting frozen food. Ninja BL610 Professional Blender. The Ninja BL610 Professional 72-aughts countertop blender stands out in the crowded market of kitchen appliances with its robust design and powerful capabilities. Functioning at 1,000 watts, this blender is engineered to handle a variety of tasks, from mixing and blending to crushing ice and pureeing ingredients. The large 72-ounce capacity is perfect for families or those who enjoy entertaining, allowing multiple servings to be prepared in one go. One of the standout features of the Ninja BL610 is its total crushing technology, which utilizes stainless steel blades designed to create a smooth blend in seconds. This is particularly effective for creating frozen drinks, smoothies, and even soups. The device offers 4 distinct speed settings, giving users the flexibility to achieve the desired consistency based on the type of ingredients being processed. This blender is remarkably lightweight, weighing in at just 7.1 pounds, making it easy to handle and store. The push-button controls are intuitive and allow for seamless operation, even for those new to blending. Additionally, the unit is BPA-free, ensuring that the materials are safe for food preparation. Cleaning brush. The 3-in-1 cup gap cleaning brush set by Vidonio is an essential addition to any home, especially for individuals who value cleanliness and efficiency in their kitchen tools. This thoughtfully designed product features 3 brushes, each specifically crafted to tackle the often overlooked gaps around cup lids and bottles, ensuring a thorough cleaning process. Constructed from durable plastic and stainless steel, the brushes offer a combination of sturdiness and flexibility. The round shape of the brushes allows for easy navigation in tight spaces, making them effective for cleaning various types of bottles and containers. Additionally, the stiff bristles provide the necessary leverage to remove debris and stains without causing damage to the surfaces. One of the standout features of this cleaning set is the practical hanging hole on the handles, allowing for convenient storage. This is particularly beneficial for those with limited kitchen space or for those who like to keep their cleaning tools easily accessible. The vibrant multicolor design adds a touch of cheerfulness to cleaning duties, making the experience more enjoyable. Sink organizer. L-shaped design. L-shaped design with narrow top and wide bottom leaves space for plumbing and garbage disposal, maximizing the vertical space of the sink. And the bottom tier leaves a suitable space for your tall bottles, which can solve your cabinet storage troubles. Sliding storage drawer. The undersink organizer is designed as a sliding drawer with handles, can be pulled out smoothly, allowing you to easily access the items stored at the bottom. Easy installation and stable. No tools required. It only takes a few seconds to install. Double design with bottom suction cups and tapes. No need to punch mounting screws, but more stable than it is. Sturdy and clean. Made of high-quality steel, can bear 50 pounds. With baking paint, beautiful and rust-proof. Sink shelf is grid designed to prevent water accumulation. 2 pads to prevent objects from falling, removable and washable. Multi-purpose organizer. Assembled dimensions, 14.2 10.6 to 11 in. Top basket, 14.4.8 2.3 in. Bottom basket, 14.8.9 in. The bottom area can hold bottles up to 8 inches in height. Warm tips. Please take measurements before ordering. Ideal for sinks, kitchens, and bathrooms. It can be used as bathroom toiletries storage, kitchen spice rack or laundry room storage, etc. to keep your items organized and in order. OXO Good Grips Aluminum Dish Rack. Rust-proof aluminum frame contains items and complements any kitchen decor. Unique plate holders hold plates and bowls upright. Divided utensil cup accommodates long-handled tools and is removable for easy unloading. Raised ridges keep items away from water for quick, efficient drying. Adjustable drain tray allows for positioning rack in any direction. Non-slip feet keep rack